Today I'm going to show you how to take a sprite sheet, an old school sprite sheet with colored backgrounds, and remove that colored background, making it transparent in Fireworks so that you can use that sprite sheet in a mobile app created in Corona SDK or any other modern development environment. So you can see here I've got a spaceship sprite that's spinning around in a circle with the background already having been removed. So now I'm going to show you how I did that. So first I'm going to go to my sprites folder and I'm going to pull up the sprite sheet that I created. That is the spaceship _spaceship.png file. And I'm going to open it up in Fireworks. Now notice that the backgrounds of these sprites are blue, and we don't want blue, obviously. Now the reason they're blue is that when back in the day when these sprites were created, the bitmap image format was used, and that format didn't support transparency. Now the games that these were used in, the development environments, actually were smart enough that they would use a key pixel to determine which pixels would be considered transparent colors. So in this case, this sort of darkish blue is what the author of the sprite chose to specify the color that would be considered a transparent color. So the development environment itself, when you built the game, would automatically take any color values that were that dark blue color and render it as a transparent in the game. Now in Corona SDK and other more modern development environments, those support transparency. In fact, a PNG file is the preferred format for those because of the transparency support. These blue backgrounds are going to have to go because they'll just show up as blue backgrounds in Corona SDK projects. So here's how we remove these blue backgrounds. First thing you do is you go to this magic wand tool and go down to the this properties window here, and you'll notice that the tolerance I've set to 10. I found that for this style of sprite, a tolerance of 10 works quite well. With the tolerance set, you want the edge set to hard here, and you just click anywhere inside that dark blue background in any one of these sprites. Now it's only going to choose one of them, and that's fine. So what we need to do is go to select and then choose select similar, and when you do that, it's going to select all of the color pixels that are of that color within the tolerance of 10. If you can, we'll zoom in here so you can see what's been actually selected. You can see it's done quite a good job of selecting only the pixels we don't want. And all we need to do now is hit delete, and that removes all of those dark blue pixels. So now that we've deleted everything, we can go into image preview and we can export this sprite sheet. I'm going to give it a new name and save it. Then we can get out of Fireworks and we can take a look at that sprite sheet. And you can see now it's a sprite sheet with transparency. Here's the old one and here's the new one. So now this file is ready to use in your Corona SDK project. I hope this was helpful, and have fun coding.